So this is a type of pipe here. It's 1¼ inch that's supposed to sit at the bottom, I think, of like a sump pump or something, and it has these little slits in it, and I may have talked about this in another video, but this is going to serve as my filter. It's going to sit in the bottom of this. This is going to go up, and then I'm going to go from, this is 1¼ and this is 3/4 inch, I believe. I had a hard time finding this particular piece here, going from 1¼ up into 3/4. I don't know why, it just took me forever to find this particular piece, but I found it, and here's what we're going to do. So because it's so long, I'm going to have to put this in the hole, and then use the binder glue, whatever, to attach it, because I can't get it in afterwards. I have to do it before. I have to put this in and then glue it and then drop it down, and then of course this grommet will be here. And this stuff right here is freaking amazing. PVC cement. But let me warn you, you get only about 2 to 3 seconds before that thing is actually cemented. You can put it in, push it in really hard, and then wait 2-3 seconds and you're not getting that out again. Stuff is amazing. All right, let's get this done. All right, now we have a nice clean hole here. Probably needs to be bigger, doesn't it? This will fit. This fit. Nope. All right, now we have a nice clean hole here. Probably needs to be bigger, doesn't it? This will fit. Nope. Let's take a look. Take a look. The grommet is the hole's a little too small for the grommet. Let's take a look down in there. Perfect. Looks like a periscope, doesn't it? Ding, ding, ding. All right. So the goal here was to have this support on here, and then, but I went a little too high with it, but that's okay. I'll find a way to stabilize this so it doesn't move around. I'll add a stabilizer bar here and here. I've got a 3D printer, I can do so.